It's 10:56, 10:57, 10 September 2021. This is where I'm at as I got home. Then Mom got home, and then she had to go. She went to Discount Tire and had her tires checked, and they tried to sell her tires, and so I had to come out there and check out her receipts versus her tires, and found out that her tires are still good. They were just trying to sell her more tires. So, yeah, anyway. But here I want to show you the shipping. See, as I get that in there right, of this item, because this is what drove me crazy here on this model. Okay, so it started back on the, what is this, 8/16 to order these things, alright? Got to the US, then it went to Dallas, so it should say in the middle of the page there, about there, the Kansas Dallas. Then it went to, so it went from China to the US to the destination hub, customs, regional distribution, another place. Then it went to Dallas, where I live. And then it went to Oklahoma. Then to Carroll Stream, Indiana. Then Oak Grove Village, Indiana. Then wherever. Then back to Chicago. And then finally back to Dallas. It's like, good grief. This is just aggravating. But anyway, so there's the tracking of this. So now I want to simply, you know, the consternation of, hey, it came all the way to Dallas and then it left and went elsewhere. Okay, so that's been my life story on this. And this is about this. Alright, so let's see here. If I hit, now you see I have both speakers plugged up. This is the bad speaker, or that's the bad speaker, this is the good speaker. Good speaker, bad speaker. Okay? So let me play this. It's not, I don't have my stereo microphones hooked up, but who cares, right? Hit play. Come back over here to this one. And see that? That's bumping just where it should be, right? Anyway, so now we know that works, right? Let's stop, right? Stop. Okay. So here's the little tiny box in question, okay? I don't want to show you because that's got my happy address. I already showed the tracking, but whatever. So now let me open up this little box. Okay, it's never been, it's still, you know, pretty substantial inside here. So let me get my scissors. Okay, because this just arrived last night. I didn't know it until I actually saw the email and said, oh really? Because the mail came late. It didn't come until like, what, 6 o'clock or 10 after 6 at night. And like I'm already inside. I don't check, you know. Anyway, so the mail came late, and so here we go. We're opened. We've got 2 speakers in here. So now what I want to do is close the scissors, put them down over here somewhere, and get out these little, hopefully matching, there's nothing in the box, just that, okay? So now, let's just put this down here, I guess. And let's get, so we got 2 little squarish looking things. Alright, so and they're pretty heavy for what they look like. So let me get my scissors again. So I don't need to be saving all this little tiny stuff, but we'll just scissor through here. Come on now. Oh, all the way from China. Well, here, can we just, there we go, great. So there we are. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so now the question is, do these match up with, can you see me doing this? Yeah, you can. Do these match up with these? Well, the holes match up. Yep, the holes match up. The frame is just a hair smaller. And it says 4 ohms 10 inch on there, right? So now, okay, so now I've got that, and it looks like this. Looks like that. 4 ohm, 10 watt. Okay. So now, what I want to do. What?
Can you come and help me with the trees a little bit?
I can in a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll
I'll be out here.
okay. Give me a few minutes to finish this, and I'll be out there. So did you hear that? I got to go help her with the trees now. I never get a chance to play with these radios, do anything with these things. So here I'm going to take, what did I say? I can't even remember now. That's the good speaker. Okay, so that's a good speaker. All right, so I'm going to unplug the good speaker. I'm going to hit stop. Wait, hit stop. Okay, so unplug the good speaker. All right. Get this. Now this is kind of a root. I had a good patch cord with whatever. But anyway, so let me put this stereo plug, which is hooked up to a input of this, which is input to this, which is input to that. So, okay. I can't remember which one this is that has power. Get it on the right thing. Okay, so that on there. That's in there, right? So now, I'm going to get me a patch cord, all right? Yeah, let me just run this down some. Here, okay. I can't remember, was it the white one? Who knows? All right, so just go that on there, right? That on there, and then get this to be touching on here. Left is right. I mean, yeah, so. Okay, so that like that. Shouldn't be touching. Okay, so if I put that up over there, okay, and get this, put this end onto these here. So that like that, like this, like that, and make sure, okay, that this is not touching that one. Okay, great, there we go. So now if we hit play, come on. So that's the bad. This should be this one playing. So I got evidently hooked it up on the wrong one. Maybe it goes on the red one. All right, so let me set this over here. Okay. Just can't remember everything. Maybe it's the red one. So the red. So that. Come on now. There. Well, I get no sound here, so that's plugged in. Oh golly. Well, I should have sound. Let's see here. Don't have sound. Okay. Wish I had a, well, the only way to test the speaker is to get a battery, right? Redo the battery test speaker trick thing. So if that's not working, let's get a battery here and just this on here, right? And just go and oh man, is this a dead battery? Doesn't do anything. The speaker doesn't do anything. Let's try a different battery. There we go. Okay. So the speaker does work. Now see if I can go back to this thing here and oh golly, just was it the white one? There we go. Yeah, it was the white one. Okay, so oops, wait. That's good. So it's definitely the speaker. So I'm going to go and replace these after I go and help Mom with the trees. Okay, so and this will had fun. Sound much better. It feels really good. Bouncing like it is. Okay, so I hit stop on that. And undo all this. Okay, great. So, was the white one. Okay, great. So I'm having too much fun here. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go play with the trees now in my short little time off I have between routes of driving the school bus. Alright, so alright, let me just turn this off. Alright, so let's see, just give a close up of that. Alright, so that matches that. It won't be the same looking through the speaker, but who cares as long as it gives you tunes, right? So thanks for watching. Good day. Bye bye. Gotta go help Mom with the trees. All right, so bye-bye. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Just turn this off. Here, I hit the bottom.